What you see here is a mind map created in a virtual reality tool called Noda, which I'm using on the Oculus Quest 2. It puts you in a virtual environment and gives you some basic tools so that you can create these 3D associative diagrams. I've always enjoyed creating diagrams. Being able to do it in 3D is definitely next level. So I figured I'd give it a go, and you're looking at the product of that right here. So above and beyond a whiteboard, what value is there to this, aside from it being really cool to be able to do this? You can do all of this fine in 2D on a whiteboard. But here we can associate information with objects. For example, I've got the idea that I have a VPC here, I want to put a VPC here, and I want the two to communicate through VPC peering. I've never done that in this environment before, and I want to start working with it. So I scaffold out the idea by putting an object representing VPC peering here. So from this point, you might think, now you have to go and look at the documentation, you'll configure one, set it all up, then you'll come back here and finish the diagram. But I can actually do all of that right here. So you can associate data with these objects, basic notes and things like that, but most interestingly is you can associate a page. So I can do the research for what is VPC peering right here. And in the world, this is perfectly legible. If the video isn't communicating that, rest assured, I can see everything perfectly. So that's really interesting. So I could go through the virtual process, attach tables, I might not get it all right. I might have to come back and make some corrections, but overall, that's getting pretty real time. But then I saw, here's my existing VPC, and you can see that I've got two subnets. In these subnets are some EC2 instances, which are boundaried by security groups. I can see that these two web servers share this security group. So what if I was interested in that security group? And more so, what if I wanted to make changes to it? I've associated the security group page with the object. So I can take action, I can edit the rules, I can manage the tags. You can see I can manage the security group directly from in the world from the information associated with the security group object. So that's pretty amazing to me. And if I want to look at one of the web servers that's boundaried by the security group, I can pull up the page for it. And as you can see, I can terminate the instance. I could create a new one. So I could actually build my whole entire new VPC over there from within this tool and just create the objects, name them appropriately, and associate them with the pages in AWS and do the whole job right here. And I thought that was pretty amazing. The next step would be to be able to build one of these with some kind of validation and then export it all as a CloudFormation template. That would be pretty amazing. You would be building networks and allocating resources in real time from within a 3D virtual environment. This tool has given me an idea of how close we are to seeing that actually happen. I thought that was really, really interesting and that it was worth making a video about. And here it is. I hope you enjoyed it.